Is your desk looking a little boring? Let's make it super cute with this pink mechanical keyboard from Mchose. This keyboard is 75% creamy mechanical keyboard. I-unbox na nga natin itong mga keyboard warriors. Meron nga itong cable, cooler, switch, cover, manual, at syempre ang keyboard. At ito nga ay creamy sounds. This keyboard is a totally Bose-made with a 8,000 mAh battery. It lasts up to 280 hours. That's over a week without needing charge. You can even change up the keys and switches because it's hot swappable. At meron din siyang second stand level to level up your gaming experience. At ito nga ay wireless, so ito ay may dongle, Type-C, Bluetooth, volume knob, 16 backlighting modes, and for me, it's perfect for working or gaming. So what are you waiting for? Get the Mchose x75 versus 2 creamy mechanical keyboard. Kung gusto mo nga rin ito mga keyboard buyers, ay ilalagay ko na lang ang link sa yellow basket. Ayun lang.